Greetings WordPress bloggers, welcome to my tutorial on how to make your WordPress blog private. Here is my demo WordPress site, and now let's go to the WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, under settings, reading, scroll down here where it says search engine visibility. Check this box, discourage the search engine from indexing your site. This means that when you go to Google search engines or Bing or Yahoo, your WordPress site will not be listed under the search engine results. So this is my subdomain. That's where my demo WordPress is set up at. But my main website, if you delete that, there will be 951 search results. So this is not private. Only my demo blog is private. And this is how you do it right here. Just check this box and then save changes. For additional privacy, you can also go to your blog post, and before you publish, check this right here. The visibility is set to public. If you set to private, and then click OK, and now let's click update. Now this blog post is under private settings. Now let's visit the WordPress post right here. If you visit it, it will be showing this error 404, page not found, because it is set to private. Only visitors will see this. If you're the WordPress administrator or if you're logged in, you can still see the web post for logged in users, but not public visitors. And if you have a lot of posts, you can go to under the post right here, all posts. Say you have like 50 posts or more, you can check this box right here. Select all the posts. I only have 2 as an example, but it will check all the posts on this page, and then click on edit from the drop down, bulk action, and then click on apply. And if you go to status right here, you can go to, from this drop down, you can set everything to private and update, and this will set all the posts that you've selected to private. And that's how easy it is to set your WordPress site to private. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.